Today, there's a crisis in America. It goes beyond healthcare, the economy, and national security. Look a little closer, even right down the street. The crisis that's at the heart of our country is in our schools. Out of 28 reporting developed countries, American students rank 20th in graduation rates. While we were once pioneers in public education, now we've fallen behind. The key to solving all of these problems rests on solving one thing first: education. And the stakes are higher than we think. Here is Miss Robinson. She has 32 students in her class. These kids are the future of our country. But in order to reach their full potential, they need a great education. In America right now, a kid drops out of high school every 26 seconds. That's 3 by the end of this video, and 1.2 million a year. These dropouts are 8 times more likely to go to prison, 50% less likely to vote, more likely to need social welfare assistance, not eligible for 90% of new jobs, are being paid 40 cents to the dollar earned by a college graduate, and continuing the cycle of poverty. This is a frightening picture, but it doesn't have to be. When we change the odds, here's what it looks like. How do we ensure that teachers like Miss Robinson help her students succeed? A solution is possible, and it doesn't just rest on her shoulders. Now that you know what's at stake, what will you do?
This Harlem preschool are learning all the skills they'll need to be successful in kindergarten, reversing a trend so common in poor communities.
Poor children gain language about half the rate of middle-class kids. By the time they enter kindergarten, they're already just thousands of words behind their peers. And
Jeffrey Canada grew up one of those poor kids in the South Bronx. Now he's on a mission to level the academic playing field for children in Harlem.
We think part of the problem in poor communities is we come up with a great program and it works for kids for 2 years. Guess what? That's not going to be sufficient.
So Canada created the Harlem Children's Zone, where kids are surrounded with a series of programs, including baby classes, preschools, charter schools, after-school programs, and tutoring for college students.
What are you learning about?
It was hands-on learning when we visited the Promise Academy Charter School in the Harlem Children's Zone.
So these are our 4th graders.
These 4th graders have been in the zone's pipeline since birth.
This particular class is the smartest class, not only at Promise Academy, but probably in all of New York State.
And he's got the numbers to prove it. Math and English scores that beat the city and state averages. And a Harvard study that concludes these students have closed the black-white achievement gap.
When I'm president of the United States of America, the first part of my plan to combat urban poverty will be to replicate the Harlem's Children's Zone in 20 cities across the country.
Canada says creating just one program on the same scale as the Harlem Children's Zone will take at least $35 million, a tall order during a tough economy.
We think if you look at what the cost is not to do this well, these same communities, it's emergency room, it's special ed, it's jails and incarceration. It just doesn't make any sense.
So you can front-end it or back-end it.
That's exactly right. You're going to pay one way or the other. At least you end up with people who give you back more money than you've ever paid them.
At 3 Chord Incorporated, we are working to provide educational services for children that will have a positive, long-lasting effect on the residents of the York City community. Our pillars are building strong relationships, establishing structure, small learning communities, and academic achievement. We are aligning ourselves with the Harlem's Children's Zone and invited some of York's community leaders to share our vision. We have chosen to partner with local agencies in order to offer some of the best services for the students and families we serve. Our partnerships are formed when there is a shared value between programs. YWCA York provides programming from infancy through college entry for the youth of York. The early learning programs are accredited by the National Association for the Education of Young Children. which has been identified as the leading organization for research, professional development, and accreditation in early childhood education. YWCA programs are also rated a Star 4 level in Pennsylvania State Keystone Stars Quality Initiative. YWCA York is one of York's leading sites for the state-funded Pre-K Counts program and the only York County site for Keystone Babies, a high-quality infant-toddler pilot program funded by both PA State and the federal government. YWCA York is committed to offering the best experiences for children in programs, and the outcomes of our 5-year-olds entering kindergarten have proven the worth of that investment. The children receive a solid benefit in the area of transition when they are in the same place with their younger siblings and former teachers. Adding family connection and education components in addition to sharing information between preschool teachers and kindergarten educators is key to providing curriculum that meets the needs of the children we serve. It is because of the early childhood expertise and success that 3 Chord has chosen this charter school collaboration with the YWCA York. The mission is to provide small, structured learning environments that will encourage a diverse population of students to reach for their full potential, excel in the academic arena, build relationships, and develop the character and leadership skills necessary to become successfully engaged in the global world of the 21st century. Beginning with kindergarten, 1 grade will be added each year until there is a complete K-5 elementary school. New Hope Elementary Charter School will provide a small, supportive learning environment for students who have been underserved and underrepresented in careers within our global society. Create a culture of excellence and high academic performance. Emphasize the importance of building and maintaining relationships. Develop a structure that provides a safe environment for students, staff, and visitors. Increase student achievement, preparing students to graduate with the tools necessary to be successful in post-high school education and in life. Retain high-quality, team-oriented, supportive teachers by providing extensive professional development and the materials and technology required to present rigorous classroom instruction. We ask for your support to unlock more opportunities for the young people of York, Pennsylvania. Be an opener of doors. Ralph Waldo Emerson.